One of the most important features of Google Apps is the ability to share items with others. Sharing things like documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and pictures is easy to do, whether you want to share them with a single person or a large group of people. Start by browsing to Google and logging into your Google Apps account. Next, select Drive from the list of applications. You should already have content in your Google Drive that you want to share. If not, simply create a new document, spreadsheet, or presentation, or upload something to your drive that you want to share. To share an item, check the box to the left of the file and click the Share box, which has the icon of a person with a plus sign. Once the Sharing Settings box appears, choose with whom you want to share the file. You can choose to share the file with individual users. To do this, simply type the email or the name of the person into this box here. Be sure also that you select which level of access you want to give the person. You can either allow them to edit, comment, or view on this particular document. Once you're done, you can choose to notify the person via email that you've shared the document with them, or not. Once you're done, click Share and Save. Not only can you share the document with an individual person, but you can also create contact groups and share with them. For example, I've created a contact group called HHS Staff, which has 92 contacts in it, and I can share that with this group and everyone in this group just by clicking here. Again, be sure you check which level of access you want to give those people. You can either let them view, comment, or edit the document. It's up to you. Another thing that you can do is you can give everyone in the organization access to this document. And to do this, you simply look where we see the padlock here, and you look out to the right and you click Change. And here you have 4 different options. You can make this document public on the web where anybody in the world can get to it. You can say, I want to share it with everyone, but I want them to have the link to it. So I don't want anyone that doesn't have the link to get to this document. If you'll notice in these 2 options, the person does not even have to sign in to a Google Apps account. To make it a little more secure, you can share it with people in our organization, the Henderson ISD organization. And then you can even give it a level of security here by saying anyone with the link can actually see this within our organization, or just anyone who signs in with a hendersonisd.net account can get to it, which is this option right here. So if you choose the Henderson ISD option, with the people at Henderson ISD can find and access, something interesting happens. When you click Save, they'll be able to actually search for this document, and I'll show you that in just a second. If you share it with individuals, they're going to be able to see the document once you click, they go to their drive and they click the Shared with Me. Anything that has been shared with them will show up here. So this is if you're sharing with an individual, that's how they'll get to it. But if you share it universally with the entire domain or organization, to find it, that person would have to click the drop-down arrow here in the Google Drive search box and select Henderson ISD as visibility. Once they do that, you'll notice that now they can see everything that's been shared with the entire organization.